Question 2.2.2 wants us to calculate the sum of the first even terms of the sequence. So very specific, they only want the first even terms of the sequence. That was not a good highlighter. Let's see if we can change that to something we can see. There we go. So they just want the first 30 even terms of the sequence. So let's take a look at our sequence again. We will have 17, 20, 23. We already know there's a difference of 3, so we'll just keep on adding 3s here. 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, right? So we can clearly see that even numbers are alternating with our odd numbers over here. So we will go ahead and take those even numbers and form their own series. Okay, their own patterns. There we go. And we can see that the constant difference between these will be that. Now, in the question, they did the method 2 ways. They used the equation Sn, where you put in your difference, and they used the equation Sn, where you only put in the last term. So we'll use both methods. Right. So using the equation Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1. Very simple to just go ahead and substitute in our values. Not forget that, just to be clear on where we are. Multiply everything with 6, and we will get a value of 3,210. 3,210. Now, the second method that they have over here is they use the equation Sn is equals to n over 2 a plus l. 3 n over 2 a plus l. So L is the last term of the sequence with regards to how far we want to calculate the sum. So we will say, what is the term, the 30th term of our new sequence? Okay. The 30th term is calculated at 194. Then I just want you to make you aware that there's a mistake in the answer sheet. They just wrote a 94 instead of 194, but the answer is 194. All right. And you will see that they actually substituted 194 into the equation instead of 94. So that is just a mistake. You can also just go ahead and calculate it to see it for yourself, and you should get the same 3,210 again.